Hey guys, I'm Kelly with Handmade, and I'm also the author of this here book, Vegetable Gardening Wisdom. In addition to vegetable gardening tips, we have some herb gardening tips in here too. So today I'm going to talk about my favorite herb, which is rosemary. I'm going to give you a few fun facts and growing tips about rosemary, and then I'm going to show you a few of my favorite ways to use it in the kitchen. So, fun fact about rosemary, which I included in my book, is that it is part of the mint family. And so are many culinary herbs that you use all the time. So like thyme, oregano, lavender, basil, rosemary are all part of the mint family. And one cool thing about the mint family is that they all have square stems. By the way, I want to give a shout out to the illustrator for this book, Harriet Popham. She is awesome. Check out that rosemary. So if you want to grow rosemary, it's really pretty easy. It's a perennial in most climates. So that means that it will grow through the winter and it'll grow onto the next year. If you live in a really cold climate where you get a lot of snow, it might die, but you can grow it in a pot and bring it inside for the winter if that is your situation. If you want to grow rosemary in a container, I recommend just a regular clay pot, not a glazed one, because that will hold in moisture. And the reason that you want a clay pot is because it does dry out quickly, and rosemary likes to have its soil a little bit dry. You don't want rosemary sitting in wet soil because the roots will rot and it won't grow right. So when you're ready to harvest your rosemary, it's really easy to pick it. Use some pruners, I recommend. This is a fresh, new, young rosemary plant, so it's really supple. This came from an older rosemary plant and it's a little bit dry and the stems are really woody, which is what you want from an older plant. I'm just gonna cut into this younger plant here. I cut low on the plant so that you can kind of keep the shape of the plant uniform. So we have our rosemary cuttings and I'm ready to strip the stems. So usually you just want to use the needles in, which are, kind of like the leaves. You want to use those in your cooking. I'm going to show you first how to take the needles off of the stems. So if you look at the stem, you can see how the needles are growing up that way, so that's their natural direction. So the way you want to strip the stem, to take a hold of the stem and pull this way. And it's actually a lot easier to take the needles off of an older stem because it's a little bit drier. So we'll just pull that direction and there we have our rosemary needles. So I know I said that you usually use the needles of the rosemary, but sometimes it's fun to use the stems too. And one of my favorite ways is to use them as a skewer. So today we're going to talk about taking our caprese salad up a notch by putting it on a rosemary skewer. And if you don't know what caprese salad is, it is tomato, mozzarella, and basil. And yes, I know that this is Thai basil, not Genovese basil, but it's what we have today, so we're changing things up. So I'm just going to alternate cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, and a basil leaf. So there's one down, super easy. So we're gonna make some herb butter. And first we're gonna start by chopping up our rosemary. You can make this herb butter with any other herbs. So once you get it chopped up, you want to take about a stick of butter. This has been melted a little bit in the microwave. You want it to where it's pliable, but not, totally melted. And you're just gonna add your herbs. The amount really kind of just depends on how much you like the herb. I love rosemary, so this is probably 4 tablespoons or so. And this is actually one of the super simple recipes that I included in my book. So I'm just gonna transfer this to a prettier bowl for serving. I really wanna use my fingers right now, but I won't. So I've really had fun talking to you about rosemary today. It's my favorite herb and I love using it in all kinds of ways and growing it in my garden. So just remember, this is my book, Vegetable Gardening Wisdom. You can get gardening tips as well as herb gardening tips. Leave me a comment below if you'd like to hear more vegetable and herb gardening tips on Handmade. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later. I'm taking this butter.